This guide will show you how to install a 2005 to 2009 Mustang carbon fiber CS4 trunk lid. Start by removing the trunk bumpers with an adjustable wrench. Next, remove the plastic housing by pulling away from the trunk. Disconnect the lamp. Now disconnect the remaining two wires. Now use an 8mm wrench to remove the two bolts holding the lock harness. Remove the zip ties holding the wiring harness. Use a 10mm socket wrench to remove the bolts holding the trunk latch. Use the 10mm wrench to loosen the bolts on both sides of the trunk that are holding it in place. Once both sides have been loosened, you can remove the nuts by hand and then remove the trunk. We recommend a helping hand to prevent damage to the trunk or the vehicle. Remove the third brake light from the original trunk. Next, remove the two clips that the trunk lock mounts to. Line up and place your new trunk. Hand tighten all bolts first, then tighten with a 10mm socket wrench. Reclip your third brake light into the new trunk. Place your trunk lock clips onto the new trunk. Now bolt in the trunk lock using the 8mm socket wrench. Reinstall the hood latch using the 10mm bolts. Reconnect the locking mechanism and taillight wires. Reinstall the zip tie wire holders. Reconnect the trunk light wire. Clip the plastic cover back into place. Reinstall your trunk bumpers. Close the trunk and take a look. You have completed your install.
For more Trufiber and TruCarbon products, visit trufiber.com or trucarbon.net.